Hi there, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create separate profiles in Opera GX. This is a really useful feature if you want to keep your browsing organized, especially if you use the same browser for work, school, gaming, or personal browsing. Each profile keeps its own history, bookmarks, settings, and extensions completely separate. Before we get started, make sure that Opera GX is already installed on your computer. This feature is built directly into the browser, so you won't need to download anything extra. To create a new profile, open Opera GX and look at the top right corner of the browser. Click on the Easy Setup button next to the address bar. Once the menu opens, scroll down until you find the Features section. From there, click on GX Profiles Manage. This will take you straight to the Profiles page. Once you're on the profile screen, click on Create Profile. You'll be asked to give your new profile a name, such as Work, School, or Personal. You can also choose a color for the profile, which helps you quickly identify it. Leave the configuration set to Standard, then click Add New Profile. Opera GX will now create the new profile for you. You'll notice that a new Opera GX icon with the selected color is added to your taskbar, and a shortcut may also appear on your desktop. Clicking this icon opens the new profile in its own separate window. You can now use this profile with a clean slate. Your browsing history, bookmarks, saved passwords, and extensions will not be shared with your main profile or any other profiles you create. Before wrapping up, it's worth mentioning that there's also another method for creating multiple profiles that works in both Opera GX and the regular Opera browser. You can check the link in the description for that option. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.